We're speaking with Martin Searhouse. He's the director of the Nissan Research Center in Silicon Valley. What benefit do you think Spacecom has on the automotive industry?
So I think there are a number of advantages of being part of this conference. We are a large car manufacturer, and so manufacturing is a big effort in our company. And then also new technology that comes to the car industry, especially when you think about autonomous vehicles. And so what you see here coming together is from the space industry is all these different companies that help this incredible technology that brings us to space and how that is developed together. I mean, there's never a one company doing everything, right? So in the car industry it's the same way. We have many partners and manufacturers that we need to work with. So learning what manufacturers and partners NASA is using in space helps us to think about how we could take advantage of these partners.
And could partnering with other industries on robotics efforts shorten the time frame for having completely autonomous cars on the road?
So it's a difficult question to answer. I mean, but of course, I mean, just like I mentioned, we need many different technologies, and especially when you think about sensor technology, is something that for the autonomous vehicle is essential. And a car manufacturer won't be developing every piece of technology themselves, and so the people that develop sensors for space could play in this arena, and then also the software. Right, space technology and space software, autonomous software is something that we need for driving the vehicle on the road autonomously, and so validation of verification of software. All these principles and all these technologies are needed to to build the autonomous vehicle.
Sounds like some great collaboration opportunities here. So, what has surprised you about Spacecom so far?
Well, that's funny. I'm not that surprised about Spacecom because I've been at NASA. I was at NASA for more than a decade, so I've been to Spacecom before. But what really surprised me this time is the emphasis on commercialization of space technology. That I think is incredibly exciting. Just like bringing space technology to the automotive industry and developing autonomous vehicles. I think these are the two new forms of bringing new technology in the world and bettering our lives.
And coming from NASA, you have a lot to offer into the automotive industry since you have a little bit of insight.
Yeah, I mean that's one of the reasons why I thought it was very important to work with NASA and testing and developing the autonomous vehicle, because NASA is one of those agencies that are on the forefront of using autonomous technology.
Well, thank you. Are there any other thoughts you'd like to share about your industry or about Spacecom in general?
Well, no, like I said, I mean, for me, what is really exciting is that, working in the space industry is one of the most exciting technologically endeavors that we are, engaged in as humans. And now to bring that to Earth and developing the autonomous vehicles, for me, it is, it comes together there from my perspective, and I'm really excited about that.